Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and I'm finally back. It's been a little while, a couple weeks since we've done a video. Life has been very busy, and work has been sending me out of town quite a bit, and will be in the future again, so we'll get these out as quick as we can, but, you know, life happens sometimes. Want to see what we're doing today? Magic at your door! This is coming up right now. Alright, so let's take a look. So this is Magic at Your Door's gold box. And now they have a new thing called the golden ticket. And if you are so selected to have a golden ticket, you get to choose from a whole bunch of cool prizes, I guess you would call them, but like Loungefly backpacks and all kinds of stuff. So this is my first opportunity. I've seen a lot of people get them though, so I doubt I've got one. You ready? All right. First thing, Magic at Your Door. Boop. Happy birthday, Mary Herman. From your friends at Magic at Your Door. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do, and all your wishes will come true.
Oh, thank you.
All right, so the monthly newsletter. Boop. So they're talking about the Disney Magic Direct, which is where you can go to just buy individual pieces. If you don't want to buy a subscription box, you can still buy a Loungefly or an Alex and Ani or a whole bunch of different stuff. So you can take a look at that if you just want to buy something in particular. Then they're talking about the golden ticket promotion. Be sure to check out your gold pouch. Oh, it's in the gold pouch. For a made golden ticket redeemable for magical prizes and good luck. The one key to this golden ticket, if you are a subscription box, you know, like you get it every month, it's not going to affect you. But if you get a golden ticket, in order to get your prize, you still have to get the box the following month because they will include it in that box. So you still have to get the next month. Text message. And then it talks about their Facebook group, which is called Magic at Your Door. Check it out. Like 5,000 plus people in there. While you're at it, check out our Facebook group, Disney Dynamicks. Spelled just like the channel name down there. And then Disney Magic Trading Post is their other Facebook group. So say you get like one thing that you don't like, you can go in that group with a bunch of other people and they buy, sell, and trade some of the things they get. And again, if you aren't happy with everything in your box, you can simply send your box back for a full refund. They're very cool. I think they're the only company that does that. And just a reminder to check your account preferences and make sure that they're up to date. All right. Ready? Feels like I haven't thrown confetti in forever. Oh boy. It's a spirit jersey for my favoriteest dog in the whole wide world. Look at that. I will throw it in the photo box. Boop. Voila. And this was $36.99 in the parks. Doggy spirit jersey. Alright, so what do we have here? Event countdown calendar. I think this was on our wish list. So this you can put in there how many days left until like your Disney vacation and keep counting it down so that everybody in the house knows how long it'll be. This is $24.99 in the parks, and I will take this out of this package and throw it in the photo box on the turntable so you can get a better look. Boop. Nice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was on our wish list. Wish list. If there's... Their wish list is huge, and I'll show it to you in a second. Select things that you do like. It doesn't guarantee you will get them, but you have a much better shot at it, and check it often because it changes a lot. So here is this month's. Little Wayne's World action for you. See that? Yep. Yep, that's cool too. Oh. And there you have it. All right. Oh, got some socks. They're pretty cute socks. Monster University. Oh, that's the other thing that's on the newsletter is prices for things. Either color-coded or otherwise. So socks are $14.99. Look at those guys. Oh, yeah. This is definitely a Merry birthday box. Merry birthday. Mary's birthday. Merry. We're gonna wait on the gold box, the gold pouch, because that'd be so cool if we got a golden ticket. I would do cartwheels all the way to the front of the chocolate factory. Gym shore time. Ready? Look at that! It's a twofer. It's got a birthday cake for Mary and a Mickey for me. I do not have that one. That's really cool. His feet kind of look like peanuts. I love it. I will throw that in the photo box on the turntable. Boop. It's really pretty stout and heavy. I mean, all the gym shores are pretty heavy, but this one feels extra heavy for some reason. I dig it. All right. First thing is a mater pin. And this has to be for Mary because it says, "Who backfired?" Throw that. Just kidding. Throw that in the photo box so you can get a better look. Boop. That is a yellow. Yellow is $12.99 in the parks. And then, drumroll please. We got the golden ticket! Sweet! I am super pumped. So when so I'll go in and select whatever the prize is that Mary wants. And we'll get that in our next month's box. That's awesome. Thank you, Mike and 001. 001. I almost said 007, but I didn't. All right, so this box cost us $124.99, I think. Man, I've been getting this box for 2 years. You'd think I'd know right off the top of my head. And shipping, and so the total for all of this stuff, not including the magic ticket prize, is boop, right there. Nice. Can't believe it. I've been getting this box, and for a long time I was getting 2 boxes from them, and they just keep having really good stuff. And I don't ever mess with my preferences because I'm kind of lazy, and we have a lot of boxes. But yeah, awesome. And Mary's happy with the. Cool. All right, so. Please join our Instagram, which is right down here somewhere. And that's about it. If you would like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the button right here and subscribe. We would really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day.